Foul Zone, and this is 4 for 4 Science, where we discuss 4 science topics at the speed of light, sort of. Fish in the ocean may need some antacids. At least that's one theory as to what a strange ocean buzz is. I bet a little fish is going, oh, excuse me. James, tell us about fish flatulence.
Fish flatulence, fish farts. I can't believe we finally got to this point.
Word.
So for a while now, scientists have been puzzled, as you say, by this kind of weird noise emanating from the depths of the Pacific. It could be one of two things. It could be the fish coming up to feed and going back down again, emitting some sort of strange communication thing, or they could be emitting gas from their swim bladders, which basically controls buoyancy, which leads us to the theory of fish farts.
Everybody does it.
I think it's cool. If this is true, then it also turns out that it's going to be the largest migration of any mammal in the ocean, or any animal in the ocean. So I think that'll just be also really interesting. Break the record for that.
Break the record and the
Breaking
win.
a few things.
Yeah, well, the other question is, though, isn't this buzzing sound just essentially acting as kind of a dinner bell for all of these predators to come? They hear it, and it's like, all right, let's go feast on this massive column of fish that are moving around.
Ooh.
So,
And it's a vast amount of, animals kind of coming up and down. I think it's like, 10 billion tons, I think was the number that was mentioned. So obviously this is a lot of movement, and kind of in more ways than one.